An appearance unlike any other for Jude Law at the Central Criminal Court as a prosecution witness at the phone hacking trial. And his testimony under oath lifted the lid on an alleged love triangle between 3 A-list celebrities. While Jude Law was dating Sienna Miller in 2005, she allegedly had an affair with Daniel Craig, and Jude phoned the Bond star to confront him about it. Asked about that call today, the actor said, "We had known each other many, many years, so the conversation took on all sorts of turns." The barrister then asked if he'd insisted Daniel Craig confess to his own girlfriend. "I think that's correct. I think I did," Law said. The News of the World printed the affair claims shortly afterwards, and that phone confrontation was part of the story which was shown to the jury. Today, the star denied he'd authorised anyone to leak information about him at that time. Jude Law told the court that although he had suspected many people close to him, he hadn't learnt until last autumn that a member of his immediate family had been in contact with the News of the World. Had he known that person had received money, he was asked. "I've never been aware of that, getting paid for it," he replied. What followed was a scene somewhat reminiscent of a TV drama as a piece of folded paper was passed to the actor with the relative's name on it for him to read. He then reiterated that he hadn't known until today that money had changed hands. The star explained incessant intrusion into his private life started after his Oscar nomination for this film, The Talented Mr. Ripley. He told the court, "I became aware of turning up at places having arranged to get there secretly, to have a day when the children were not disturbed, and the media or photographers would already be there." He said the police have played him tapes of voicemails he left about his children on his nanny's phone, and the monitoring of him appeared to be international in scale as he jetted between Hollywood and New York. When detectives showed him the notes of the News of the World's private investigator, he was shocked to see the amount accumulated. But he added, "Sadly, it didn't surprise me. There seemed to be an unhealthy amount of information that people or someone had that meant they had access to my life." The editor of the News of the World at the time stories about Jude Law were published was Andy Coulson. He and 6 others, including his predecessor at the paper, Rebekah Brooks, deny all the charges. It was Sienna Miller's insistence that her voicemails had been intercepted that sparked the investigation that led to this trial. Now, her former partner has learnt in the witness box that a member of his family may have sold details about their lives together.